LED cube, we're using Novus RVX 600 and it has 6 Cat6 output ports. So to make it easier, we're breaking down this 24 cabinet cube LED wall into 4 sections of 4. So we have our network coming in, it's routing into the cabinet below where the controller is going to be. So this is section 4, and we've gone all the way around. So each section we have to obviously link them together. So this is the input side. When we use the software later, we're going to tell it that it's configured this way. So this is the input. We have to now link these together. These are bi-directional. There's a Cat6 at the bottom and a Cat6 at the top. So you could run it either way. It doesn't matter, just as long as when you're configuring it, you tell it which way it's being run. So now this section connected to output from the controller is completely linked. And when we go into the configuration, we're going to draw it this way, saying the configuration is up, over, down. That's pretty much how you do it. We'll repeat the process all the way around.